Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I'm gonna bring a laptop stand. That's pretty much what I'm gonna bring. If you guys are looking for something like this one doesn't have anything. It's just a static stand. There's no moving fans, no power, no nothing. It's just pretty much it holds a bunch of laptops. That's what it does, and it keeps it above the ground so it could keep sucking in some air and circulating around so it won't overheat. And it's in an eye level position, so it's ergonomical too, so you can start working, not folding too much of your neck and stuff like that. Restrains, and it's a pretty good thing. So let's go ahead and put it together and see what you get when you get something like this. So um, LN08 model. So let's go ahead and take a look. Open it up. Give you the instructions here up the front. Another instructions right here. We don't need them. They give you the active stands. See how easy it is to put together. And that's it. Take this apart. So you can notice these are the two feet, and they're rubber feet if you see it. And all you got to do is slide it in. All right, let's go ahead and start. The feet have to be facing down. So this is going to be leveling down so it could lock in. See how it locks in here. Then you pretty much lock in the other one and you're all set. If you see it sideways, the profile sideways, nothing static. And of course, they give you these things for your actual cables. You can run the cables through here. It's all metal and it matches a lot of laptops, especially a Mac. So let's see eye level. So I'm gonna put it here. We're going to see how well it works. We'll put the computer in here. Of course, this is only will work fine if you have a keyboard mouse separate too, right? So then you pick up the thing and not bad, not bad. So this is, we're doing a Dell all-in-one, a smallest computer I have right now. So not bad. And it doesn't move. Doesn't move because of the rubber here. It's holding it down. So not bad. Look at that. Not bad at all. And it's eye levels here, so it's pretty good. So let's go again and continue. All right, here we have a MacBook, all right? Put it in there. Perfect fit. Doesn't disturb any of the keyboards or anything. I'm gonna open it up this way. Look at that. I think it was made for Mac. It's perfect fit. Look at that. Look at the side profile. You can see it sideways. It's pretty much how it's gonna be. Rubber feet. Not bad. The type of way. Just put it below. Put the cable management underneath here in the back. And you're all set. So a Mac and a regular PC. So if you guys like stuff like this, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we are out.